In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Microsoft Teams with your Outlook calendar. By following these steps, you'll find it much easier to manage and join virtual meetings with just a few clicks. Let's dive right in. First off, let's open Microsoft Teams. You can do this by clicking on the Teams icon on your desktop or finding it through your Start menu. If you haven't already signed in, be sure to enter your credentials and get logged in. Once you're inside Teams, you're going to want to navigate over to the Calendar tab. You'll find this conveniently on the left-hand side of your screen. The Calendar tab is where you can view your Outlook calendar events all in one place, making it easy to keep track of your schedule. Now, it's important to ensure that the Microsoft Teams add-in is installed and enabled in your Outlook. This add-in is key to creating Teams meetings directly from Outlook, thus streamlining your workflow. To verify this, you'll open Outlook and click on the File tab located at the top left. From the drop-down, select Options, and then navigate to Add-ins. Here, you'll find a list of the add-ins you have available. Look for Microsoft Teams Meeting add-in for Microsoft Office. If it's listed under the Active Application add-ins, you're good to go. If it's not activated, you may need to enable it by selecting it and clicking Go. This will ensure that every time you create a meeting in Outlook, you'll have the option to make it a Teams meeting. Creating a Teams meeting in Outlook is simple. Start by creating a new meeting just as you typically would. In the Meeting tab of your Outlook ribbon, you'll now see a button labeled Teams Meeting. Click this button and automatically your meeting invite will include all the details needed to join a Teams meeting. This includes a clickable link for attendees to access the virtual meeting space, ensuring all participants have easy access no matter where they are. Once you've done that, sending out the meeting invite is just like any other Outlook calendar invite. Your colleagues will appreciate the easy integration and added details. Finally, when it's time to join a meeting, you can conveniently do so directly from your Outlook calendar invites. Simply open the calendar event and you'll find the Join Teams meeting link right there. Clicking this will take you straight into the meeting so you can focus on what's important rather than fumbling with links or applications. By following these steps, you'll have a smoother, more integrated experience with Microsoft Teams and Outlook, allowing you to focus more on your meetings and less on the technology. Thank you for watching and happy meeting making!